Okay, you can open them. Go ahead, open them. You've been so good waiting. Here, go ahead, open it. Open it first. Do I help start? Yeah, there you go. Get it? Oh, she's gonna open a present. Dude, finish opening it. Oh, you are. I'm sorry. Get your next one. Go get another one. Good girl, get it. Those are all yours, sweetie. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Up it. Open another one. Get that one. Get another one. Or you gotta open it all the way. I'm sorry, I can't see you. Open it. Tape. Oh, good girl. Get another one. Get another one. Finish opening it. Okay, you want to get another one? Get another one. Good girl. Get it. This one? Right here? Oh, you can get in this stocking. Get another one. Get it? Right here. I'm going to start it right here. You know what that one is, don't you? Hold it. I'm just holding it. I'm not going to take it. Jerky? Is that your beef jerky? Is that your treat? Want to open another one? Do you want to open another one? Get another one. Right here. No, 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 go back to that one. Here. Are you going to finish that one now? I'll touch my present. Dang paper off it? Okay, get that one. Good girl. You got itchies? You need a bath? No? Okay, no, here. Get it. Get that one. Right here. I didn't open that one. To Mama's little piggy. I know you want the beef jerky. There's more in here. There's more in there. Get it. Oh, Mama, help. I'm not taking it. Here. Okay, I'm just dumping it out. There. There, right there. No? You want your beef jerky. Oh, is there more in there? Yeah. You're so smart. Here. Let me help you. Bring it over here. Bring it here. Come on. Finish unwrapping it, Turkey. You got some more to go. Unwrap it. I love you. Right here. Finish unwrapping it. Get that paper off it. So, Sissy. Sissy. Unwrap it. Oh, you want to unwrap this one? Finish it. You're getting lazy. All right, one more. Mama opened it. Mama started it right there. Whoa. Oh, it's a good girl. Did you forget? Oh, no, still one more. Here. No, Mama cheated. She got too many of those. Done? Get that. You only have it half done. Okay, fine. Do you want to open Mama's? Do you want to help Mama open it? This is from Grammy Jeanette to Mama. I love it. It's purple. Finish it. Oh, it's so exciting. You got so many toys. I'm going to help baby. I freaking love you. Say thank you, Grammy Jeanette. Mama loves it. Thank you, sis. No, that's Mama's toy. Give it a hug. Good girl. Sissy, now, stick 'em up. Stick 'em up and say Merry Christmas. Okay, I have your treat. Now, stick 'em up. Pretty, 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 please. Pray. What? Sit down. What? Good girl. Inside voice. What? Inside voice. What? Inside voice. Say it. What? Good girl. Can you wave? Good girl. You hold Mama's hand. Hold my hand. Good job, little alfalfa. Can you give me a high five? High five. Give me a high five. But, and you want your treats now. You better give me a high five. Give me a high five. Oh, good girl. Sexy puppy. Big just a minute, puppy. Sexy puppy. Just sexy puppy. Good girl. Anna Nicole. Good girl. Peekaboo. Where's Sissy? Peekaboo. 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 Good girl. And wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. Oh, wave. Just wave. Say Merry Christmas. Puppy. Merry Christmas, puppy. Thank you for visiting. Oh, she doesn't like that. See? Mama loves you. Okay, one more time. Stick 'em up. Say goodbye. Pretty, 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 please, and pray. Merry Christmas. What? 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 Inside voice. What? 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 Girl, I love you.